Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new iPad Pro 7th generation. I got the 13-inch model in silver with 256GB and in Wi-Fi only configuration. So apart from the iPad, I also got the black smart folio case. Let's put the case aside and take a look at the iPad itself for now. On the front of the box, we have a picture of the iPad. On the sides, it says iPad Pro. On the top and the bottom just has the Apple logo, and the color of the Apple logos together with the iPad Pro wordings are all color coded to the color of the iPad that you get. Since I got silver, they're all in silver. And on the back of the box, we have 256GB iPad Pro 13-inch M4 Wi-Fi, what's included inside the box in several languages. And down here, we have the barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. As usual, we have the tabs at the top and the bottom to pull open to access the box. Okay, now the tabs are open. Let's take off the top. And right on top, we have the iPad itself. Let's put it aside. And right in here, it says designed by Apple in California. We have all the tips in several languages. We also have the safety and handling guide in, again, several languages. And there are no Apple stickers in here. But further inside, we have the new braided USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as the standard 3-pin charger. Okay, so let's take the protective cover off of the iPad. Put that aside. And let's do the first boot up. Okay. Now that it's on, it says hello. Swipe up to open. It's asking for the language. English, Malaysia, appearance, okay, default, quick start, set up without another device, written and spoken languages, continue. Let me just enter the Wi-Fi network. I've already entered the Wi-Fi information. It now says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Data and privacy, continue. Set up iPad, set up for myself. Face ID, continue. How to set up Face ID, get started. Okay, first Face ID scan complete, continue. Okay, Face ID is now set up, continue. Create an iPad passcode, I'll be back. The passcode has been entered. Now it's asking me if I want to transfer my apps and data from iCloud backup, from another iPad, from Mac or PC, from Android. I don't usually transfer my iPad data, so don't transfer anything. And now it's asking me for the Apple ID. My Apple ID has been entered, so now it's asking me to go through the terms and conditions, agree. Update my iPad automatically. Continue. Location services. Turn on location services. Apple Pay. I will set up later. Siri, continue. Select my language for Siri. Ask Siri in English. I'll set up later. Improve Siri and dictation. Not now. Screen time, continue. iPad analytics. Share with Apple. Analytics, don't share. Light or dark display. I always do light, so light it is. Welcome to iPad. Get started. And there it is. My iPad is all set up. Okay, now the iPad has been set up. Let's take a look at the case. Pull this tab. I believe yep. Just pull it out. And the case is right on top. Open it up and we have this piece of paper which is empty. Let's just grab the iPad and put it in. And there you go. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new iPad Pro 7th generation, 256GB, Wi-Fi only in silver. Thanks for watching and goodbye.